The vice principal of G.C. Foster College of Physical Education and Sports was shot and killed on Friday afternoon at the Portmore Hospital complex in St. Catherine. Commander of the St. Catherine South Division Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillips confirmed the murder and is presently at the crime scene. The Independent Commission of Investigation have launched an investigation into the fatal shooting of a man allegedly by the police during a traffic stop along Old Harbour Road in St. Catherine. It was reported that around 8 p.m. on Thursday, police personnel were on traffic management duties along Old Harbour Road when they signaled to the deceased to stop his vehicle. The driver, 39-year-old Inigo's Hyman, complied and stopped. He was asked to exit the vehicle, and as he disembarked his Honda Accord, he allegedly grabbed one of the policemen and a tussle ensued. It is further alleged that Hyman brandished his licensed firearm and started firing at the police. The police returned fire, during which Hyman was shot. He was taken to Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead. A man was shot dead and a firearm seized during a police operation in Grateful Hill in Glengulf, St. Catherine, Thursday morning. Up to press time, the man was still unidentified. Reports reaching Observer Online indicate at around 7:50 a.m., several officers from the St. Catherine North Division went to the community to conduct an operation. The police team observed two men in a yard from the targeted location. The team disembarked from the vehicle, and on approach of the lawmen, the men ran off towards the back of the premises. The police gave chase, and while passing an open door at the side of the premises, one of the men was seen inside with a firearm in his hand. The man opened gunfire at the police, who returned the fire in his direction, and he fell to the ground, clutching a firearm which was found to be a .38 revolver with 5 live rounds. A search was conducted of the premises, but the other man was not seen. The injured man was rushed to Linstead Public Hospital, where he was pronounced dead on arrival. The Independent Commission of Investigation is probing the incident.